Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm sorry about my hair. You can do different kind of hairstyle, but this is what I'm trying to do. This is what I'm going to do, guys, just to have a curly hair because it's more seductive look. Next, you have to do that your makeup will stay longer. You have to use this Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. It's oil free. I concentrate all it's in my in the center of my cheeks and in my forehead, and then I just do, or just gonna spread it all over my face. Next, guys, I'm going to put a foundation. The foundation that I really like, Youthful Wear Spotless from Physician Formula. And I have to shake it. I need more because the one that I put in my back of my hand is not enough. I don't know how to use this properly because I feel like I'm a ghost every time I put something. So I just put very little, and this is the Eraser Dark Circle. This is a Maybelline. I can use the darker color just to do my contour. Next, just gonna do like that. Then I will use this Sweet and Wild shimmer. Yes, I will use the next one for my eye. This is an eye base. It's Judy's Time palette. I use this MAC 214 brush for this. So after this, using this one here. next I will use this next for my eyeliner, and the color Jet Black. So now I'm using this Maybelline. This one that I'm using right now is NYX, and oh, this is the NYX eyebrow liner. I use this lipstick, it's the Revlon, this number. So now you can put your jewelry together, and I will show you the result. I will put down my hair. Thank you for watching, and don't go away. Voila guys, it just give me a wavy hair because you know I have a very long and thick hair, so it's very heavy, so it's hard to curl. So I have to leave it like an hour before it get curl and get nice wave. You can do anything you want in your hair. And thank you guys for watching, and I hope you watch for my next video. Bye.